Let's be real for a second. You've tried the growth polishes, you've saved the aesthetic hand care pins, and you've probably spent way too much money on biotin supplements that just gave you breakouts instead of long nails. If your nails are constantly peeling, breaking at the corners, or staying at that same stubby length for months, it's not because your genetics are bad. It's because you are treating the symptom, not the system. If you want them to grow faster and stronger in 2026, you have to change how you protect the new nail that hasn't even surfaced yet. We're breaking down the long nail architecture step by step, the garlic secret. I know you've seen the garlic hack all over your feed, and I'm here to tell you, it's not just a weird internet trend, it actually works. Garlic is packed with selenium and sulfur, which are essential minerals for hardening the nail plate. If your nails feel like paper, this is your fix. But don't just rub raw garlic on your skin and call it a day. That can be way too irritating. Instead, finely chop a fresh clove and add it to a clear base coat or a bottle of jojoba oil. Let it infuse for 5 to 7 days. Applying this garlic-infused treatment twice a week provides a direct hit of minerals to the keratin layers. It acts like a natural hardener, making it nearly impossible for your nails to snap under pressure. It's the ultimate old-school beauty secret for a reason, the waterlog trap. This is the one thing nobody tells you. Water is the enemy of nail length. Your nails can absorb up to 20% of their weight in water. When they get wet, the nail cells expand. When they dry, they shrink. This constant expanding and shrinking cycle weakens the internal bonds, leading to those annoying chips and peels at the tips. If you want your nails to grow, you must wear gloves when doing dishes or cleaning. No exceptions. Think of your nails like a delicate silk fabric. You wouldn't soak silk in harsh detergent for 20 minutes, so why do it to your nails? Minimizing water contact is the single fastest way to prevent breakage, which is the only way to actually see the length you're growing. The internal foundation. Your nails are made of a tough protein called keratin, and they require a specific set of nutrients to produce high-quality cells. Most people are protein deficient in a way that shows up in their nails first. To speed up growth from the inside, you need to increase your intake of sulfur-rich foods. Think eggs, broccoli, and walnuts. These provide the glue that holds those keratin layers together so they don't peel. Also, let's talk about iron. If you have those little vertical ridges or your nails are paper thin, you're likely low on iron. Instead of a random pill, try adding a daily handful of pumpkin seeds to your diet. When your body has an excess of these minerals, it finally stops prioritizing your internal organs and starts sending the leftovers to your hair and nails. That's when the fast growth actually kicks in. The scalp massage. For your fingers, we talk about blood flow for hair growth, but we completely ignore it for nails. Your nail matrix, the part under your skin where the nail is actually born, thrives on circulation. If you want faster growth, you need to stimulate that area daily. Every night before bed, take a high-quality oil. Jojoba is the gold standard because its molecular structure is small enough to actually penetrate the nail plate, and massage it into your cuticles for 60 seconds per hand. This does two things. It brings fresh, nutrient-rich blood to the matrix, and it keeps the new nail flexible. The active length. Shaping strategy. Most people let their nails grow into accidental shapes, which usually leads to a snag that ruins months of progress. If you want to grow them long, you have to shape them for structural integrity. Avoid this square shape when you're starting out. Those sharp corners act like little hooks that catch on your hair and clothes. Instead, go for an oval or almond shape. This mimics the natural curve of your finger and distributes pressure evenly across the nail plate, making it much harder to break. Also, throw away your metal nail files. They create microscopic tears in the nail edge. Switch to a glass file. It seals the keratin layers together as you file, preventing the peeling that usually starts at the tips. The patience of a queen. At the end of the day, your nails grow about 3 millimeters a month. You can't force them to grow an inch overnight, but you can stop them from breaking, so you actually get to keep that 3 millimeters every single month. Stop picking at your cuticles, stop using your nails as tools to open soda cans, and start treating your hands like they belong to someone who values herself.